Probably for me as a teenager, uh, mainly because of my love for the ocean and where I grew up. I grew up in Cyprus, and I started noticing kind of a difference in fish population when I'd go diving or snorkeling. That's not when I was aware of it and my impact at work, though. That came much later. I was in the States doing a film called Thor for Ken, and it was just the most ridiculous amount of power that we used. And my gaffer, Corey Geriak, who's now a brilliant cinematographer, and I were discussing all these things. And, he definitely made an effort to use biodiesel, for example. That's the first time I started being aware of the kind of fuel cost per week. Then Cinderella, where it was the first time a studio actually asked us to make a report as an HOD of what we could do to reduce things. I'd say that might be my journey of actually trying to do something about it and actually have a plan. The dilemma, I believe, is would you sacrifice the look of a film for the carbon footprint? I mean, that's quite a big ask. If you had two ways of doing something and you felt one was better for the job and one had a lower carbon footprint, which would you choose? And then after that, would you not say, isn't my job and my responsibility to find a way where it isn't compromised and that maybe I need to try harder? The most positive thing I see happening around me is that from the top to bottom, I think there is a conscious desire to tackle our industry differently. It definitely isn't something that's done single-handedly. Quite the opposite. I feel more that I've been carried through this by a fantastic crew who actually go on their own initiative and look for energy efficient solutions. We could set a precedent and we could set some guidelines, and if we do it well, they'll stay forever.